Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I'm trying to fight with this lighting because it's driving me crazy. I had to move my laptop because it was making humming noises when I made videos. So anyway, I am here to show you the year of supplies giveaways that I'm going to give you. I've been going to different stores, actually almost just Tuesday mornings, and going to all over the Dallas area to try to get you the best giveaway prizes for Glue Gun Chronicles Facebook group challenges. And I wanted to give something, that you can't always find or afford. And I got them for more than half off. So I hope you like it. So let's get started. So you need to be a subbie of mine on here. And then you need to go jump to Facebook and join Glue Gun Chronicles group, and you can be a part of this. But before I show you that, I do want to say thank you so much for all the new subbies. Oh my God, I love you. I know I've been missing in action for about 2.5 months, almost 3 months. The holidays came up, then I got sick, but I'm back and I am just have so much mojo. I'm so happy to be crafting and everything. And if you're new to the group, I want you to know that 4 years or 5 years ago, Johnny, my husband, and I lost our home, lost our whole way of life, was homeless, living in Texas for 3 months. And we have our own business, a land survey business. So we came out here and we have work. Texas has been wonderful to us. And I just wanted to give back. So 3 years now, I've been giving on YouTube. But this year I am only going to do Glue Gun Chronicles giving away. If things work out, after my house is built, I'll start doing it back on YouTube again. But building a house, I had to choose. I couldn't do both right now. So yeah, let's see what you're gonna win. So my budget was around 10, but when I saw this, and it's usually $35 at Hobby Lobby, and I found it for $14.99. This was such a great deal. So it is a scoreboard with a cutter, and I got this from Tuesday mornings. So go find it. They're there. And it has a hinge here, but it is as large. This part is as large as the Martha Stewart, and then bigger right here. So that is a really great gift. Let's see. Some of these things I don't even have. This is the party board section. And yes, I got it for $9, and it's 24 and higher at Michael's and Hobby Lobby. I'm not putting them down because I love them and I love using their coupons, but this is even cheaper even if I use the coupon. And here's what it made. So that's nice. And then this board is to make boxes, and that's really nice. And yes, they're all 24 or 30 higher. So this is at the other stores, but I got good deals. I went to like 4 different Tuesday mornings to look for things, and that's the box, and that's what it will make. So I hope you like it. It's not all about we are memory keepers, but when I find a good deal. So here is the planner punch, but it's actually just a punch, and the colors are pretty. And so I think that would be a good prize. And here is how you can set it up and punch it however you want. So that's a good gift. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do one more We Are Memories Keepers, then I'm going to change it up. So here is the banner board. And yes, can you believe $9.99, and this is $25 at the other stores. So if you have a Tuesday mornings, you should be shopping there. But this is what they make. So that will be fun for someone. I bet you with all these, you can create other than what they show and all if you think about it. So let's see what else. I have Anna Griffin cards. There's 4 in a section. This is birthday for my friend, get well, and thank you. And they were $2.49 at Tuesday mornings. And this is what that one would look like. This is what that one would look like. This is what that one would look like. And this one, there's 4. It has all the things you need with the envelopes. Let me go ahead and open one and show you. And so you're going to get 12. So look how pretty these are. And it's got the gold foil and pop dots and everything that goes with it. So that is so pretty. I even bought one of these for myself. Some of these things I don't have. Not yet. Maybe next payday. So this is going to be added to the giveaway. It's Glue Gun Chronicles on Facebook. So how do I not come out with the new Sure Bonder fine tip glue gun? This is Charlie, same size, different color. I don't know why they're not doing pink, but the handle is changed. And you know, when you're gripping that, it can go on and off. So the handle's better. And the fine tip, it's not going to say fine tip anymore. It's going to say detail. And it is a very, very detailed little, same as the other one. Actually, might even be a little smaller. So that's a good thing. So this is going to be added to the giveaway. And then I found Graphic 45. I normally would never give Graphic 45. It's pricey. I do love my Graphic 45. This is called Cafe Parisian. I got this for $3.99 at Tuesday mornings. They do sell Graphic 45, but I think it goes fast. Tuesday mornings is like a store overstock, where everything's on overstock, and once it's sold out of the store, it's gone because they don't know what's coming in. They don't order stuff. They just get buyouts. So here's what the paper looks like. If you haven't seen it, it is so cute. I just made a project with this paper, but it is so cute. And so you also get with this, you get the cards that go with it. And here are the cards. You get the envelopes and the little tags to go with it. So there's that. And I'm giving you the chipboard that goes with that. So that's a nice little gift in itself. So hopefully you will be a subscriber to mine, and hopefully you will tell your friends about Glue Gun Chronicles, and you know, come and hang out with us and have a good time and enjoy crafting and doing things. And the reason why I do this is, you know, I just want a gift. Let's see, in January we altered a jar. February we're using roses on a project. March we're doing something with crayons. So if you go to the dollar store, grab you a box of crayons. I just feel so blessed, and so I just want to gift back. And so hopefully you guys are enjoying what I'm doing for you. And I ask for nothing back. You know, it's just me trying to show what type of person I am. I'm very giving. So I hope you join. I hope you post daily. It doesn't have to be just the giveaway portion and the challenge. You know, I want people to intermingle in there and find friends, because if it wasn't for crafting, when I moved to Texas, I would have lost my mind, you know, because, you know, I just left everybody. My kids stayed back there. Kyle does live here in Texas now, but my mom, my dad, everybody. So if it wasn't for crafting, I don't know how I'd have made it. So yeah. So, you know, please, you know, understand that I'm just trying to be me. So there's a little bell right beside my name. Go ahead and push on that bell, and every time I post something or do something, you'll see it and know what's going on. So hopefully you'll join Glue Gun Chronicles on Facebook and be a subby of mine here. And I'm so grateful that you guys remember who I am and are following me. Love you. Thanks. Bye. Good luck.